If your influencer database is 5 spreadsheets and the prayer, you're not alone. Organizing creator data is hard, so here's how to finally keep everything in one place. I know that when we talk about data, your first thought might be the amount of time it takes to collect all the numbers, organize, and turn them into insights. But trust me, it's much easier than you think, and in this video, I'll show you how to do it step by step so you can avoid mistakes in your next campaign. A big one brands often make is assuming that a creator performs the same way in every platform. But when you have analytics to understand their performance in each of them, you realize how different the story is. A creator might go viral on TikTok but barely get any saves there. Yet on Instagram, their audience goes crazy and their engagement is consistent. With that data, you know exactly where to activate them on your campaign. Without it, you would put them on the wrong platform and just think they did not work. Data analysis can also be a lifesaver when you're working on a deadline, because it allows you to have a database with emails and filters. Let's say you have 5 days to recruit 40 influencers for a campaign. Instead of manually digging through their bios to find their contact and adding each email to a spreadsheet, with a database, you can filter by niche, country, engagement rate, and even availability of contact information. And boom, you have your outreach list in seconds. It turns a process that normally takes hours or days into something that you can do before your coffee gets cold. But data is mostly useful to help you decide how to use your budget. With real numbers, you can rank creators by engagement, niche strength, conversion potential, and sort them into clear groups. The ambassadors who drive your brand, the mid-tier influencers who add steady reach, and the nano creators who bring authenticity and social proof. It's basically building your own influencer lineup. Instead of spending your money randomly, you know exactly who should be allocated to big campaigns, which creators should be doing always-on content, and which of them deliver great results for a small cost. Okay, now let me show you how to organize your data in very simple steps. First, go to Favikon.com and log in with your account. If you don't have one yet, you can test it for free using the link in the description. Now you're gonna use the AI search feature to find the creators you need using a simple prompt, just like ChatGPT. For example, UK interior design creators. To see more details of each of them, you can click on their profile. Here, you'll find a preview with their number of followers, average engagement rate, niche, and even the ones that are a better fit for your brand. You also have the option to see their full profile with detailed information of their performance in each social media and their main formats. But going back to the previous page, you can select each creator you want to analyze, click on Save on the bottom of the page, and create a new list. This helps you organize them for easier access. Now you go to Context on the left corner and open the list you created. Here you can select the ones you want to analyze, click on this button on the top, and select which data you need. Favikon analyzes influencers in 9 social media platforms, so you're covered wherever your campaign needs to shine on. Let's say I'm doing an Instagram campaign. In this case, I'll select all the information I need, such as engagement rate, average views, likes, comments, shares. Then I'll click Enrichment. This will give me all the information I requested in an organized view. But if you need these numbers on a Google Sheets, for example, all you have to do is click on the 3 dots on the top right corner and then Export List. Now you have all these numbers in a CSV file that you can upload on a spreadsheet and share with your team. There you have it. Data analysis made simple for insights that help you make better decisions. If you want your campaigns to finally feel predictable instead of chaotic, start looking at the right numbers and visit the link below to test Favikon for free.